If you're looking to increase the size of your Fortnite locker with an addition of a new skin entirely free, there are a couple methods you may find beneficial. In this video, we will show you how to get skins through Winterfest, tournaments, and battle passes. Use our clickable sections below to keep track of what step you're on during this tutorial. Annually during the holiday season, or as Fortnite refers to it, Winterfest, free items are granted to those who log in to play once per day. Winterfest lasts 2 weeks on average, totaling 14 gifts entirely free. Gifts can include anything from emotes to holiday-themed skins. A few examples include Snowmando, Frost Squad, and the Peppermint Pick. Periodically, Fortnite will host tournaments accessible to all players, and if you place within a predetermined percentage of all participants, you are rewarded early access to cosmetic items free of charge. Examples include Venom, Lachlan, and Thanos. Tournament rules vary, so be sure to read through the provided details of each tournament. Next, we will cover Fortnite skins that are deemed free after a small initial investment. In tandem with the release of every new season in Fortnite, a brand new Battle Pass becomes available. Battle Passes bring with them an abundance of new unlockable items, including skins. Each Battle Pass is listed at a price of 950 V-Bucks, which translates to a total of $8. Beyond this initial investment, all skins and cosmetics in the Battle Pass are free to earn. Upon leveling up in-game, whether through quests or simply from performing well, players are given Battle Stars. These Battle Stars can then be used to progress your way through the Battle Pass and unlock your favorite skins. Battle Pass owners are also presented with the ability to unlock a secret skin once per season. The secret skin is uncovered typically 10 weeks from the start of the season, and in order to earn the secret skin, you must complete a specific set of quests provided to players.